Hello, my name is Chef Benjamin and I'm the executive chef here in the Four Seasons in Bali at the beautiful Jimbaran Bay. It was actually the full package because, Four Seasons is a brand what I really admire since I'm a young chef. It stands for quality, for guest experience, and also for come together as a Four Seasons family and to strive to make our guests happy. So it was really something I always wanted to work for Four Seasons. Then the second point is Bali. It's a wonderful island. I was here a few times for vacation when I lived in Singapore. That makes it quite easy to sign up for this wonderful opportunity. The biggest lesson I took always to be focused and to become better each single day. That you really keep evolving every day and trying to become better. And now in the position where I am is not only to push myself, but also bring the whole team with me to make them evolve every day and become better and give our guests a great experience. We are really settling in as a family at the moment, and it's 2.5 months that we are on the island, and we have to find our roots first as a family in the community and also here at work to really understand fully the heritage and the culture before I can translate it into our guest experience. For me, it's always in all the countries where I lived and traveled so far, is always to have really a deep understanding first of the culture and to really respect it before I can translate or touch them or really give my comments to it. I think that the most valuable thing we can have is time, and I'm always enjoying spending time with my family, and this is what I think we would like to translate here in the resort, with seeing our guests from the morning until the evening, spending time together as a family and having this valued time together. We want to support it to that they have a great experience, can talk many years after its day. I have a great team, a really strong team where I'm really happy and proud of it. And I can see that the day-to-day business they're handling very well. So that gives me the opportunity to look sometimes a little bit on the bigger picture, to see where we will move in the future, what will be our next experiences, what we can offer in a year and 2 years to our guests. Also to look where are the hidden talents within our team and where we can embrace them a little bit more, and how I can support in this kind of environment. Yeah. I think it's the consistency. It's always a challenge to have every day the same quality, the same experience, the same setup, the same products. Even to find every day the same quality on simple things like a pineapple, and to have this consistency. This is, I think, the challenge what everybody always is facing. And we are very happy to tackle this with the team on a daily basis. I think our biggest common thing is that we all want quality and we all want a great guest experience, and that is where we are all tied together. And it's not so important what kind of cuisine each outlet is cooking. It's more like that we are all in the mind and in our goal focused on one, and this is our guests. It's always it started with the communication. We are talking about a new product, about a new technique, about maybe a guest comment. Sometimes guests having special wishes and we create out of this a new dish. And then we're going into a testing phase where he will make 2-3 sample dishes and we will try them, and then there's a feedback of maybe a different acidity, different salt, different presentation. Should it be single, should it be sharing? We will talk the whole concept of the dish, And then when we both are confident, we will present it to our management team. And when the feedback is great, then it will get up to the card, to the menu. First, you have to master the basics. You really have to be like a really good knowledge of basic cooking and to understand also how to take the pressure in the kitchen, how to take the heat in the kitchen, and to really develop yourself for many years at first there. The identity will come with the years and it will grow. Like how I was cooking with 20, with 25, with 30 and now with 40 is completely different. When I was a young chef, I wanted to show on one plate 100 textures and 100 components and wanted to show the whole world how great I am. But now with the age, I realized that the most important thing is the flavor, the taste, and that everything what goes on the plate is cooked to the point. Like the doneness, the texture, everything on the point. So reducing yourself and becoming a perfectionist in simplicity is this what will come over time and experience. If you look around you, the beautiful view, the amazing people we are having, what we have the honor to work with them every day, and the relaxed atmosphere, what we can translate towards our guests to really enjoy their most of the time vacation. The rooted connection to the community, to the culture, and to bring this here in a very special way towards our guests. What I encounter more and more here is that our team is able to foresee the wishes of our guests even before they say it, and I think that makes it to a very special place.